lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night. And it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping, with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me, we had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe, something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I hope you're ready for it. Today is an extreme deep clean, declutter, and organization video featuring my friends, one of my sweet friends, Kitchen. She is a busy mama and a busy wife to 4 kiddos under the age of 12. Their age ranges between 3 years old or 4 years old, I believe is the youngest, to 12 years old is the oldest. I may be off by a year or two, but they are a busy household. The husband works full time, she works full time, and in addition to that, she's also on the board of a local baseball league that my son plays on. So it's a very busy home. And so she had asked if I could take on her house, obviously with her help, and I said most certainly. This was an all-day project, I will say. We did get rid of about 4 trash bags of stuff that she no longer needed, and I told her she needed to go into this mindset of, you don't use it, get rid of it. Declutter it, declutter it, declutter. And then in the process, we will organize and see what all you have. And I will tell you, the transformation of this kitchen was phenomenal. You will see them in and out of the video. You will also see their little kiddos pop in and out. It wasn't the easiest to keep them out. But like I said, this is a busy house. So as I said, you'll see them in and out, because this process, I want them involved. I wanted their input. She did a lot of the decluttering. I helped with a lot of the cleaning. I helped with her organizing things and showing everything and placing everything. All of the organization products that we use were all from the Dollar Tree. And I said, let's just start bare minimum. Let's see what we've got. If we need to go higher than 6 baskets, because that's all we used essentially, then that is what we'll do. And if we need to go more, then we will go back to the Dollar Tree and get more. She already knew what we needed or what she would need in size wise, but because that's what we had originally purchased. So we're going to go ahead and get on in and declutter underneath this. So this cabinet is underneath her stove, in between her oven and her fridge. And this cabinet area houses her cookware, her Tupperware, and I forgot what else was in there. It was her cookware, her Tupperware, and another section that was in there. A lot of her drains and like colanders and stuff like that. Her big pots, and big serving bowls and stuff like that. So that's what we wanted to focus on, this area. Make sure that we got it all cleaned out. We had to wipe everything out. And we got down and dirty. Again, this was an all-day project, and we had so much fun, you guys, laughing and watching the kids have fun and just doing this. And I did this from the kindness of my heart. I told her, I said, I'd be there. So this is part 1 of a series of decluttering her home. So this is going to be a massive declutter, and that's what this series is going to be called, Massive Declutter. And I hope you guys are ready for this, because this is a treat for you guys. Again, welcome if you are new. My name is Rosa and I'm a mama of 3 boys, and this is what I love to do. So let's go ahead and get right on in as we declutter, deep clean, organize her kitchen.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll.
So this is the after of cleaning out all of this underneath the cabinet and organizing. Now this isn't completely done because we still had things in the dishwasher and things in the sink that we needed to put away and find a home. But that part was a huge difference from what it looked like before. So understand, giving her some grace is definitely needed right now because she is a busy mama. They are a busy family, and the kiddos try to help as much as they can. And so when they help with responsibilities such as doing the dishes, doing the trash, they're kids. They only do it halfway or not all the way. So we were also kind of fixing some of that issue, but we're now going to move over to the countertop and get this a good clean. There was some oils. There was some cooking oil that was spilled in the stove. One of the kiddos had knocked it over prior to this, so we need to get that all nice and cleaned. So you're going to see a lot of cleaning, major cleaning in this kitchen. So, but I wanted to just pop on super quickly and just let you guys know, if you were decluttering with someone, or for someone, or even for yourself, having it all displayed, doing area by area, space by space, instead of taking it on, although it does seem massive. It's a lot. This kitchen was a lot, but at the same time, doing it little bit by little bit made this process so much easier for her, so much easier for the family, and it can be very easy for you as well.
You're getting this in my brain. You're getting this in my brain. change your mind. For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
While I'm cleaning this and editing this, a question popped in my head of what projects are you guys currently working on? Are you decluttering? Are you spring cleaning? Have you guys tackled any areas in your home that needed some serious TLC? Cleaning her home or helping her clean her home and Declutter and Organize really did make me think of a few things that I wanted to get done in addition to all the things that I'm currently working on. So if you are interested in wanting to catch any of those videos, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified when those videos are posted, because there's going to be tons and tons and tons of decluttering and cleaning and spring cleaning coming your way here. Again, this is just one of many videos that we're going to be working on in my friend's home, and then I have some of my own as well. We had just decluttered my closet. I filmed that for you guys, and I also rearranged the den and made that into a workspace or workout space, and I filmed that as well. And there's so much stuff that's going to be happening up here soon, and then also finishing the project in the laundry room. So make sure you are subscribed to both this channel and my main channel, because that one is all updates of all the things that we're getting done. I'm going to put my workout room over there so you guys can have, just the update in the process of that, along with our laundry room, because we have our repair guy that's coming back out, and an electrician that's coming back out. So let me know what you guys are currently working on and what you are excited to tackle in your home.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go.
Now we're starting over into the spice cabinet, and this is where they had the space for it. And to tell you, she was a boss, you guys. She was a beast at getting rid of it. When we first started, I told her, I said, we are just decluttering and getting rid of, and she said, no problem. There was no hesitation. And so this is what we did. We went through it all and threw away so much stuff, got rid of things, consolidated things. And again, this is a busy, busy family. Not only does she work full-time, as I mentioned, and her husband works full-time, but she's also a participant on she's a board member of a local league, and it's just really crazy. It's really crazy in their home. So getting to declutter and organize all of this stuff isn't priority on their list. And trust me, I don't blame her. It's not priority on my list. When I'm always on the go, you know, I do what I can to get by. And this is something that we all deal with. And we have no place to shame. So when you look at videos like this, such as massive declutters and organizations and, you know, just everything is destroyed, you know, the house, you know, we got to look at it as this is life. This is what we call life, you know, and we need to make sure that we help and encourage and uplift one another. And so I, along the way, told her how great she was doing and how great the kitchen was turning out, and was very proud of all of the things that she was able to accomplish. And so I know that we all have someone in our lives that deals with just the craziness of life, and we just need to make sure that we are there to support them along the way. So now we're over into her pantry. This is a very small I want to say a small portion of her pantry, because she does have one larger that's out in the hallway, and so I did video that, but that won't be up until later. So make sure that you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on for that. And that was actually much later in the evening. This was, like I said at the beginning, this was an all-day adventure. We did so much decluttering, so much cleaning, so much of just everything. And I cannot wait to show you guys what it all turned out and how it all looks now.
I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think with old eyes, her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful.
Now we're over under the kitchen sink, and this was particularly very important for the both of us, just because she's got little ones, and although they know not to go under there, and she doesn't have it child locked just because she's got two other ones that do have chores and they participate with, washing the dishes and loading the dishwasher and taking out the trash, and she needed to be accessible for them. And again, the two younger ones know not to go under here. But it was important to us to get this cleaned out as well. and organize to better assist her children with their responsibilities of chores, and also to put away some of the things that were toxic and that could not be ready and available for the two little ones. And so we wanted to make sure that this area got nice and cleaned out, wiped out. We did put new contact paper down so that it was nice and easy and cleaned, just because this is an older home, or the cabinets is older, and so we wanted to make sure that the cabinets were protected. So that is what we're going to be doing here. Again, we're going to be cleaning all of this out, organizing all of this, and putting back a lot of things. Right now we're at a good point of organization underneath the sink. You guys didn't get to see the mess before, but there is quite a bit of stuff that we still have to get through underneath the sink.
your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah, put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on, if you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight.
Now I've made it over to the sink. Yes, my sweet friend was already over here doing dishes, but it was time to really scrub this sink out and scrub around it and really do a good wipe down of this area. So that is what I'll be tackling next.
The commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on, if you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. 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 Reach out to me.
So here we are at the end of the video, and this is what it all turned out. Again, This was an all-day task. We were there about 6 hours, maybe 7 hours, just cleaning and decluttering and organizing. And also, don't forget, I also worked on her closet, or her pantry closet, which will be in another video. But we were so happy to get all of this done. The kitchen looks and feels cleaner, organized, put together, and it's all organized for her kids to also contribute their responsibility and their chore. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was a true labor of love from her and I, and we want to thank you guys so very much for watching today, giving each other grace in the most hardest times of life, where we're overworked and underpaid and spent very, fairly thin in our lives. Giving each other grace is all that is needed. Remembering that everyone has got something going on in their lives, and all they need is just a little bit of help. And so if you're capable and able to do that, make sure that you do that and step out and do that. And I want to thank you guys again for watching all the way to the end. I hope this video brought you the motivation that you were seeking, and that you came and you clicked on this channel for, and I love you guys for doing it. Please make sure to share, subscribe if you aren't, like if you liked today's video, and welcome back if you're a returning viewer. I will see you guys in the next one. Much love, and God bless.